Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today, we'll be taking another look at the famous Italian folk song Ballad Ciao and how to play it on a tremolo harmonica with 20 holes. Here is a tremolo harmonica with 20 holes. Now, we say it has 20 holes, even though when you look at it, it obviously has 40 holes. But we treat the holes that are on top of and below each other as if they were one hole. This harmonica is in the key of C. Now don't worry if your harmonica is not in the key of C, because it's the numbers that are important. And if your harmonica is in a different key and you're finding it difficult to follow this tutorial, just turn the volume down and follow the arrows. Now when you see this red arrow, it means blow into your harmonica. And when you see this blue arrow, it means breathe in through your harmonica. Got it? Good. Here's what Ballad Ciao looks like when it's written down, and this is how it sounds. E A B C A, E A B C A, E A B C B A C B A E E E D E F F, F E D E C, C C C B E C B A. Let's take a closer look at phrase 1. Blow into 9. Breathe into 12. Breathe into 14. Blow into 13. And breathe into 12. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, blow into 9. Breathe into 12 twice. Breathe into 14. Blow into 13. And breathe into 12. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, blow into 9. Breathe into 12. Breathe into 14. Blow into 13. Breathe into 14. Breathe into 12. Blow into 13. Breathe into 14. Breathe into 12. And blow into 15 3 times. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 4, blow into 15. Breathe into 16. Blow into 15. Breathe into 18 twice. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 5, breathe in through 18. Blow into 15 twice. Breathe in through 16. And blow into 15. And blow into 13. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 6, blow into 13 3 times. Breathe into 14. Blow into 15. Blow into 13. Breathe into 14. And breathe into 12. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. And remember, if you're the sort of person who prefers learning the harmonica using tabs, you can check out my tabs page. There's a link in the description below. And until next time, stay tuned. Hi guys, just wanted to say a big thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, don't forget I've got a store on Amazon. There's a link in the description below. If you're looking for a new instrument, that would be a good place to start. Also, I've got links in the description to lots of other things like my Facebook account, my Instagram, my Twitter. I'd love to catch up with you guys there. So until next time, stay tuned.